Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to write the behavioral VHDL code for 2-bit comparator. So first we will see the truth table for this one, and then we will see the circuit diagram. So then we will come for the code. So if you are new to the channel, please guys hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more updates. So I have made a series of videos on Xilinx Model Sim programming. So if you have not seen those videos, please check the playlist guys. So they are all executed codes, and I'm 100% I'm sure that they will give the output. So coming to today's topic, that is 2-bit comparator. So the truth table for this one is here. So it will be having two bits, A1 and A0 and B1 and B0. So this is A and this is B. There are two inputs and they will be compared, like whether they are A is greater than B, or A is equal to B, or A is less than B. So depending on that, the particular output will be made high. So in first case, A is 0 0 and B is also 0 0. So they are equal to each other. At that moment, equal to A equal to B will be high and others will be 0. And in second case, A is 0 and B is 0, 1 means in decimal it is 1. So at that moment, A is less than B. So A is less than B will be high and others will be 0. So similarly, when you come for this condition randomly, that is 1 0 and 0 1, at that moment this is 2 and this is 1. When you convert 1 0 to decimal, it will be 2, and 0 1 to decimal, it will be 1. So 2 is greater than 1. Yes, it is greater than 1. So A is greater than B will be high and others will be 0 here. So like this we will be writing the truth table for up to 15 numbers, and we will be writing the corresponding. So you can, as you can observe, only one of the outputs will be high at a time. So keeping the truth table in mind, we will be writing the code. Okay, so now we'll see the code how I'm writing. So first entity comparator is, so a comparator uh, is a user defined name here, so you can give anything of your choice. Then define the input and output ports here. So port A is the input port in standard logic vector 1 down to 0. So as it is a vector, so it is of a1 and a naught here. So I'm getting a of 1 and a of 0. So this is in the vector representation. Then similarly B, that is in standard logic vector 1 down to 0. So B of 1 and B of 0. So this forms the A and these two forms the B here. So like this we will be representing. Then first one is the A greater than B, that is in out standard logic. So this is output and it is in the standard logic. And A equal to B, EQB out standard logic, and A less than B out standard logic. So close the port, that is the open bracket, and then put a semicolon, then end this comparator. So now we have defined the entity, and now it's time to call the entity. So architecture behavioral of comparator is, so comparator is the entity name, and behavioral description we are writing. So we are calling it the this sentence, that is architecture behavioral of comparator is. So make sure that you are using the same name, that is comparator when you are defining and comparator when you are calling. So if you change the name, then it will throw an error. Then begin for this behavioral, and then process inputs. So inputs are A and B, then process these inputs A and B, then begin for that. Okay, so begin if A is equal to B, then if A value is equal to B, at that moment assign A greater than B 0, and assign A equal to B 1, and assign A less than B 0. So as you can see, if A is equal to B, in this case assign A equal to B 1 and others will be 0. So the same thing is done here. Assign A equal to B as 1 and others as 0. Else if A is less than B, then assign A less than B as 1 and others as 0. So as you can see, A greater than B is assigned with 0, A equal to B is assigned with 0, and A less than B is assigned with 1, because A is less than B condition is true. If this is also not true, else if A is greater than B, then what happens if this is true? At that moment A greater than B will be assigned with value 1 and others will be assigned with 0. So as you can see, A equal to B is assigned with the value 0, and A less than B value is assigned with the 0. So like this we will be writing three conditions: A equal to B, A less than B, and A greater than B, with the help of else if statements here. So then it's time to end this if statement. So if it started here, then we are ending this if here, then this process is started here, then end this process, and this behavioral module you started here, and then end this behavioral module. So end behavioral. So like this we can write a simple code for a 2-bit comparator with the help of truth table and if else if statements. So I hope you like this video. Please guys, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.